Hey guys, Dryce Walker here. We came up in the attic to show you something that you're gonna be the judge. We had an installation done here in this house, and it was for an AC system, and all these ventilation ducts, they were laying flat on the top of the attic here above the ceiling joists, and there was some insulation over it all. The inspector made us remove that insulation and hang it on top like this. So now the AC has to work harder to push air up and then back down to the unit, from the unit to the room, and that is kind of a waste. Now we have straps that are making the airflow, restricting the airflow in here and in there, like you can see here. So you're the judge. Let me know what you think is best, laying flat or doing like the inspector is asking us to do, to hang it up in the rafters like this. See you next time with explanation.